Finally, here's the first real look at the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. With stunning design changes and powerful upgrades, it's shaping up to be a game-changer. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is just around the corner, with Samsung unpacked rumored for January 22. While leaks have steadily unveiled its features, the latest gives us a first real-world glimpse at two major design updates: rounded edges and ultra-thin bezels. Tipster Jukin Losrive, crediting renowned leaker Ice Universe, shared an image believed to showcase the right side of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Unlike its predecessor, the Galaxy S24 Ultra, this model features a more rounded design and some of the slimmest bezels seen on any smartphone. Ice Universe previously hinted that the Galaxy S25 Ultra's bezels would surpass all current mobile phones, including the iPhone 16 Pro Max. While exact bezel dimensions remain unknown, the image confirms they're exceptionally slim. The overall size of the phone is expected to remain similar to last year's model. Since 2020, sharp edges have defined the Galaxy Ultra series, making the devices iconic. Samsung's decision to opt for rounded edges marks a bold change, likely aimed at improving ergonomics. This new design should make the Galaxy S25 Ultra more comfortable to hold, addressing one of the common criticisms of earlier models. Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra has been revealed in real life for the first time, offering a glimpse at both its refined design and exclusive color option. The hands-on video was posted on Reddit, and although the post is titled Galaxy S24 Ultra Definitely, the device in the clip shows off the rumored rounded corner design of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. The leak has also been corroborated by prolific tipster Ice Universe, who confirmed on X that the device in the footage is indeed the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Another leaker who posts a lot of Samsung leaks, Chunbai, has also confirmed that the device in the video is indeed the real Galaxy S25 Ultra. You can check out the leaked clip. The corners of the leaked Galaxy S25 Ultra unit, which appears to have a glossy metallic finish, are obviously different from the pointy ones on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Samsung's rounded design is believed to complement the new One UI 7 UI, which has also adopted several rounded elements. Samsung's signature camera setup appears at the back of the phone. Strangely enough, we don't see the rumored camera rings surrounding the lenses. These camera rings also appeared on alleged dummy units of the Galaxy S25 Ultra that leaked a few days back. Even more images have surfaced, giving us a closer look at this highly anticipated device. It's becoming clear that the Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be a true standout, and we've got fresh insights to share. Android Authority managed to obtain new images from a Reddit user who claims to have sourced them from the original account, which has since been deleted. While these images don't reveal much beyond what was previously known, they offer a clearer view of the display and the bottom of the device where the S Pen is housed. Interestingly, the S Pen itself features subtle design updates. This time around, the stylus has a slightly more curved tip and has been repositioned closer to the center of the device to align with the curved edges of the phone. While it's a small change, it's a reassuring sign that even as the Galaxy S25 Ultra moves away from the classic Galaxy Note aesthetic, the iconic S Pen remains an integral part of the package. The leaked images also highlight the display in more detail, showcasing a smooth curved radius that adds to the phone's visual appeal. One of the standout features visible in these leaks is a new charging indicator introduced with One UI 7, which adds a fresh touch to the user interface. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is a design masterpiece, revealed in fresh new dummy images. China-originated dummies of the upcoming Samsung flagships are up on sale, with stunning images brought to attention by Roland Quant. Dummy images show Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra in silver and black color hues. There will be more standard and online exclusive color choices at the time of the official launch. Titanium blue is said to be the signature color of the flagship. The Galaxy S25 Ultra replicates Samsung's signature design aesthetics. The biggest change is obviously in the frame, those sharp corners turned slightly rounded. The overall look is simply boxy, just the sharp corners no longer appear. The upcoming smartphone is slightly taller and has a reduced width. The screen could be 6.86 inch, a minor increment over the S24 Ultra, but results in significant refinements in terms of handling and usability. The frame's right side will feature 3 buttons, 2 for volume adjustment and 1 multifunctional key. The keys will match the color of the S25 Ultra's frame made of titanium material, which is lightweight and durable. The rear side features 3 large and 2 little rings, consisting of 4 image sensors and a TOF lens. The rings also adopt a fold 6-like circular texture design, while the outer ring will likely continue to maintain the appealing look. Between the 2 little sensors, there's an LED flash to be used during nighttime photography. All rings are located at the top left of the rear panel in a vertical arrangement. The Galaxy S25 series is shaping up to revolutionize the smartphone world with AI innovations that even Apple might envy. Let's dive into the leaks, rumors, and the hidden secrets of Samsung's upcoming flagship. You've likely come across a barrage of leaks and rumors about the Galaxy S25 series, with even the One UI 7 Beta 3 making its way online ahead of its release. But what's truly exciting is the unprecedented AI innovations the Galaxy S25 promises, features that might leave Apple scrambling to catch up. Renowned Samsung leaker Ice Universe has hinted that the most impressive AI advancements in the Galaxy S25 lineup remain tightly under wraps. According to him, Samsung is safeguarding these game-changing features until the phone's official unveiling, scheduled for January 22, 2025. While Apple Intelligence is now official, gradually rolling out new features for iPhone users, it seems to have sparked a competitive fire at Samsung. The Galaxy S25 series is expected to take this rivalry to the next level. As Universe confidently stated, Samsung Galaxy S25 will tell Apple what leading AI is. This bold claim could reflect Samsung's determination to cement its dominance in AI technology, especially with the synergy of One UI 7 and Galaxy AI. It's clear the company aims to set a new benchmark, redefining what cutting-edge AI means in smartphones. Samsung's decision to keep these AI advancements under wraps indicates a strategic move to generate maximum buzz at the phone's official debut. This secrecy surrounding Galaxy artificial intelligence highlights the competitive stakes in the battle between Samsung and Apple for artificial intelligence supremacy. Ice Universe, known for his accurate Samsung insights, expressed surprise over the company's ability to maintain such a high level of confidentiality about these features. With the Galaxy S25 Unpacked event expected to be a grand affair, Samsung seems poised to steal the spotlight, not just with new hardware, but with groundbreaking AI capabilities as well. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be a game-changer, bringing exciting enhancements to display technology and durability. Stay tuned as we dive into two major updates about Samsung's upcoming flagship. Let's start with the display. Samsung is set to redefine smartphone displays with the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Recent leaks suggest that the device's screen could achieve an astonishing peak brightness of 3000 nits, surpassing the Galaxy S24 Ultra's already impressive 2600 nits. While early rumors indicated no significant OLED advancements, Samsung has instead refined its existing display technology by incorporating additional features. Now let's talk about the next-level durability. Samsung also aims to elevate durability standards with the Galaxy S25 Ultra. According to renowned tipster Ice Universe, the phone will debut the second-generation Gorilla Glass armor. This advanced glass is designed to protect the display while retaining its anti-reflective capabilities. Although specific details about the improvements in shatter and scratch resistance remain unknown, the new Gorilla Glass armor is anticipated to outperform the version used in the Galaxy S24 Ultra. One common complaint from users regarding the S24 Ultra's panel was the gradual wear-off of its oleophobic coating. Hopefully, the next-gen Gorilla Glass will address such concerns, ensuring a longer-lasting and more durable display. With these incredible updates, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be one of the most exciting releases of the year. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature a 6.9-inch, 6.86-inch panel with a resolution of 3120 x 1440, maintaining the sharpness of its predecessor while delivering a more vivid and vibrant experience. This M13 Plus panel promises excellent color reproduction alongside its brightness boost. The phone's taller and narrower design, along with softened corners, is expected to enhance both its elegance and usability. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.